What up guys, ako naman si Boy Please at nandito na naman tayo sa United SMP at gumawa pala ako dito ng iron farm at di pa tapos at nalagay ko na para yung villager sa baba at konti lang lalagyan ko pa ng bed dito para marami sila at gawin tayo ng iron.
One more shot, 'cause I feel like you're up to something. Fuck that you're up to something scandalous. Taste my bitter heart, you know it makes you blush. But something isn't right with this. I've been missing the attention, you don't listen. You've been giving, you've been spending all your time on the line. Oh, yeah, yeah. You're like Novocaine, yeah.
At naka-full set armor na pala tayo guys at thank you pala sa inyo guys at maraming salamat. Tapos na pala yung iron farm pero lilipat daw tayo sabi ni CJ at yun lang.